Hello everybody. Happy Thursday. Today Thursday. Yes, today's Thursday. I have this problem every single time. I don't know what day it is. Anyway, so today I'm going to be making my 2019 vision board, which I know I'm a little behind, but things have just been a little crazy. And so I finally put it on my to-do list, say I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna get it done. So I printed out, and we only have a laser printer, so all of the things that I printed out are in black and white. So I'm just gonna like color them really quick and give them some pretty little something something, nothing fancy by any means. So, and I have some more pictures in the house that I'm going to add a little bit later. So if you've never done a vision board, basically it is kind of like your goals for the year, I guess. Things that you envision seeing yourself doing in that year or that time period, whatever. And Chalk Couture has a vision board transfer. It's called My Happy Masterpiece, and it's super cute. And it has, I am not good at coloring inside the lines, sorry. You're gonna see how awful my coloring skills are today. Anyway, so it is a really cool transfer. It has so it has a piece that says My Happy Masterpiece. It has a piece that says My Why, so you put a picture of your family or whatever you're working for. And I swore that I had one, and I can't find it. So we're gonna kind of make our own little happy masterpiece. We don't need the special fancy transfer. Okay, and I could just leave these, but I need a little bit of color, and I didn't want to go like print these off at the UPS store or whatever, because that's usually what I do when I need color things. Okay, so I guess as I'm doing these, I can talk about each one. So my first part of my vision board for this year is Etsy. So I also have a stamped jewelry business, which is actually, it was actually my first business. It started out about 6 years ago, and it's kind of it's like my bread and butter, I guess. It's kind of what I always fall back to. It's my reliable business, definitely. Something that I've built up for the last 6 years and I'm really proud of. So this next one is Chalk Couture, and my goal is to do a lot more with Chalk Couture this year and to make couturier, which is one of the higher ranks. So that's my goal for Chalk Couture this year. I'm just gonna add some like cute little hearts. And you can make your vision boards like cute and fancy, but it doesn't really have to be. So there we go. Good things come to those who hustle. So I chose, everyone is doing like this word of the year thing at the beginning of the year, and I was like, well, I guess I can do that too. So I chose my word of the year to be hustle. And so I just did a Google image search for hustle, and that's what I found. So I thought it was very appropriate. And then this one of my big goals this year is to win earn the, I shouldn't say win it, so you gotta earn it. Earn our incentive trip to Punta Cana in next February. And so that is one of my big goals. I was so close to earning our incentive trip to Cancun this month. And it was so close, and I fell just a little bit short. I was so upset. Really, I don't need to be going to Cancun right now. I have a baby, but you know, it just would have been nice to earn it. That was a goal that I set out to accomplish when the trip was announced in June, I think. And so I was kind of disappointed when I didn't get it, but that's okay because this year I'm going to Punta Cana. At least that's the goal. All right. So I'm just gonna put a few transfers on here, and then I'm gonna use glue dots to glue those on, and then I'm gonna leave room for, I've got some pictures of my family inside that I'm gonna add. So that one says thankful. We've got be happy. And then this one, so this one was a convention exclusive. So anyone who went to convention last year in June got this one. It was designed by the founder, Tara, and it says dreams don't work unless you do. So I'm gonna put that one in the middle. I haven't even used it yet, but we're gonna use it today. Okay. And I don't know if you guys see this over here. This is our new fuzzing cloth. So since it's new, I'm going to fuzz it up a little bit so it doesn't stick quite so much to my chalkboard. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang this up in my shop. Okay. And I've got about like 5 different colors of paste over here because, I don't know, I just chose colors that I thought were cute. This was a leadership exclusive paste that we got for going to leadership last month. It's iridescent. It's really cool. I haven't tried it yet, so I think I'm going to try that one. And then we've got our shimmer paste, which is available starting on the 4th, which I think is Monday, if I remember right. So I'm going to do the Be Happy in the shimmer gold. I've got to go kind of quick. I only have 5 minutes. And then I got to get back inside. Be happy. And let's see. I only have 3 things left. Okay. I'm going to try and do this middle one in the iridescent paste and see how that goes. I'm curious to see how well it'll show up on this black. And if it doesn't, I suppose I could do white and then layer this on top of it. It's sparkly. Let's see. I don't know. Hold on. I think I'm going to do white first. So I'm just going to go over it again. And then I suppose it'll kind of mix together. And then I'll clean that up here in a second. There we go. All right, let's see how that turned out. That's That's better. It's kind of hard to see it probably from the camera, but in person it has a little, excuse me, it has a little bit of a shine to it. Kind of a little sparkly. That off of there. That's the cool thing about this stuff, is that you get it somewhere you don't want it, you can wipe it up. I'm trying not to shake the table. Okay. Now, let's do pink up here, or wild berry. I guess this is wild berry. And this is peacock. I love this blue. It's probably my favorite. Go. Okay. That wiped off. Oops, I should probably peel those off, huh? And after I add my pictures that I have in the house, I might come back and add a few more little things like some hearts or, I don't know, something. All right, so I've got some glue dots that I'm going to stick on here. And then I'll add my family pictures, whoopsie, when I get in the house. So my son likes to play with this. He wants all the glue dots. Mommy, can I have glue dots? Okay. So my glue dot dispenser is a little messed up. Okay, put that there, and then I'll put my family pictures over here. And there you have it. There's my vision board for this year. A little late, but that's okay. Better late than never, right? Okay, well, I'm going to sign off. Hope everyone has a good rest of your Thursday. Have a good weekend, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.